How to make your website live on Wix. So in order to make your website live, we have in here our actual dashboard, and you can click onto this view live site if you already have your website live. If you don't have yet, you can click onto this edit site, and then this will redirect you into this part wherein you can see the Wix editor that will load into this. Now you can see in here your website. Now into this, you can just make some changes that you want on your site. You can add some elements, change colors, add some more blocks, as well as some more pages. Now, once you're done with everything, in order to make your website live, you can just click onto this publish option that we can see right here in order to publish the changes that you have made. Once you have published it, you should be able to view the live site that this will create based on the changes that you have made. Now click onto this view site right here, and as you can see, your site is now published and live online. That is how you make your website live on Wix. I hope this video helped you out.